Imran Khan, the former captain of the Pakistan cricket team and a national hero, finds himself in unfamiliar territory, behind bars. Once celebrated for leading Pakistan to victory in the 1992 Cricket World Cup, Khan transitioned into politics, eventually becoming the Prime Minister of Pakistan in 2018. His journey from the cricket pitch to the political arena has been marked by both triumphs and tribulations. But his recent arrest on corruption charges has sent shockwaves through Pakistan and beyond. Khan's supporters see his imprisonment as a politically motivated attempt to silence him and dismantle his political party, the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, or PTI. They argue that the charges against him are fabricated and lack evidence. His arrest has ignited protests across the country, with his supporters demanding his immediate release. The situation remains tense, with the potential for further unrest looming. Khan's fall from grace has been swift and dramatic. He was ousted from power in April 2022 after losing a no-confidence vote in Parliament. Since then, he has been a vocal critic of the current government, accusing them of corruption and incompetence. His arrest has further polarized Pakistani politics, deepening the divide between his supporters and opponents. The international community is watching the situation in Pakistan closely. Some countries have expressed concern over Khan's arrest and called for due process to be followed. Others have remained silent, wary of interfering in Pakistan's internal affairs. The coming days and weeks will be crucial for Pakistan's future intentions. The 2024 Pakistani elections are shaping up to be a watershed moment in the country's history. Imran Khan's PTI party is claiming that their majority was reduced through mandate theft in the previous elections. This has further fueled political tensions in the country. The US, while stopping short of declaring the previous elections free and fair, has called for transparent and credible elections in 2024. The international community will be watching closely to see if the elections are conducted fairly. The outcome of the 2024 elections will have significant implications for Pakistan's future. If the elections are seen as free and fair, it could help to stabilize the country and restore faith in the democratic process. However, if the elections are perceived as rigged, it could lead to further instability and violence. The Pakistani people are facing a stark choice. They can choose the path of democracy and reconciliation, or they can continue down the road of division and instability. The future of Pakistan hangs in the balance. Pakistan finds itself caught in the middle of a geopolitical tug-of-war between the US and China. On the one hand, Pakistan has a long-standing relationship with the US, which has provided billions of dollars in aid over the years. On the other hand, Pakistan has forged increasingly close ties with China, its all-weather friend. Pakistan's economic dependence on China, particularly through the $62 billion China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, or CPC, has complicated its relationship with the US. The US views China's growing influence in the region with suspicion. This balancing act between the US and China has become increasingly difficult for Pakistan. The US has been reducing its aid to Pakistan in recent years, while China has been increasing its investments. This has led some to believe that Pakistan is drifting closer to China's orbit. Pakistan's government insists that it is not taking sides in the US-China rivalry. However, as the rivalry between the two superpowers intensifies, Pakistan will be forced to make increasingly difficult choices.